sports fans, and welcome once again to Ronda Pilipinas 2013 as we enter stage number 15. Ito po ay pabiyahe po tayo sa Pugo, La Union all the way up to Baguio sa Burnham Park ang ating tapos. This of course is going to be an individual time trial at maganda po ang ating makikita sa araw na to. Stage number 15, Anthony Stay po kasama si Froy Daico once again. Pag-usapan muna natin before we actually get to the race proper, yung importance ng ating individual time trial.
The individual time trial is race against the time. Each rider to his own, walang pacer, walang tututukan, walang susundan, lakas sa lakas, at makukuha natin ang individual time ng bawat rider.
At ito na po, papasok na po tayo sa ating race proper. This is stage number 15. Ito na po yung ating first rider na lalabas galing sa Philippine Navy.
Itong ITT, ang pakawalaan ng mga riders dito in reverse order. So kung sino yung nasa dulo ng listahan, kung sino yung ating last rider, shall be the first rider to be released.
So this is rider number 10 dun sa ating standings. Ito naman, rider number 9, representing V-Mobile.
Well, ipinakikita natin dito yung ating top 10 na lang. So this is Joel Calderon actually. And Joel Calderon, isa sa mga kinikilala natin na top mountain climber nitong dito sa ating bansa. Pero sa time trial, well, we will see.
Makikita po natin kung gaano siya katinik dito sa ating individual time trial. Of course, this is the second to the last day ng ating Ronda Pilipinas. We've gone through 14 grueling stages already. Today, of course, is stage number 15. At ano yung Froy, yung mga pwede mangyari dito sa ating araw na to?
Very, very important ito magiging resulta nitong ating individual time trial. Una-una dito sa ating individual classification. Itong si ating nangungunang si Ronald Duranza, nakakalamang lang dito kay Santi Bardachea ng 3 short seconds.
3 segundo lang, ha?
3 segundo. At itong si Oranza, nakakalamang din kay Iris Valenzuela ng 33 seconds.
Sa malaking bagay talaga, you know, things could actually change dito pagkatapos ng ating stage number 15.
Yeah, and on down the line, napakaliliit na lamangan and everybody could change places pagkatapos itong lap na ito. As we look at our new discovery, June Ray Navarra.
June Ray Navarra nagpakita ng gilas na nga po dito sa ating Ronda Pilipinas. As we get ready to send off another rider, this one from Road Bike Philippines.
Ito ang ating defending champion, si Mac Galedo. We expect Mac Galedo to submit a very good time. Kasi for the last staging of Ronda, itong si Mac Galedo was second only to Iris Valenzuela.
So nakita natin talagang pa-improve pa rin to si Galedo.
And this time, si Mac Galedo will not only be fighting for his individual position, makikita rin natin sa team competition, very much in contention itong kanilang Road Bike Philippines. At present, itong Road Bike Philippines is at number 3. Behind Philippine Navy and PLDT Spider. Road Bike Philippines is trailing PLDT Spider by a mere 2 minutes and 38 seconds. And they are trailing Philippine Navy by as little as 2 minutes and 8 seconds.
So talagang dami pang pwede mangyari dito sa ating karera. We have another rider being sent off. Ito naman galing sa American Vinyl.
American Vinyl is standing at 4th position in the overall team classification. But mas importante doon, itong si Chris Joven, siyempre gusto rin mapaganda ang kanyang final position.
So individual standing din yung tinitignan ni Chris Joven. Ikaw ba na nabigla dito sa performance ni Chris Joven sa ating Ronda Pilipinas 2013?
Well, kung mabibigla, actually ako hindi na. Dahil kilala ko si Chris Joven, isa yan sa pinaka-agresibo, isa yan sa pinaka-competitive at pinaka-palaban nating riders. So, every time na may competition, asahan mo yung Chris Joven, kasama yan sa mga lumalaban. Ang hindi ko lang inaasahan, hindi siya, nawala siya doon sa ating top 3 at this time.
Ito naman natin, makikita natin another rider, and then we're sending off another rider here, also from Road Bike Philippines, in just a few seconds.
Ronald Gurantes. Si Ronald Gurantes ang sorpresa. Sinurpresa niya yung mga kalaban, pero hindi niya sinurpresa yung sarili niya kasi for a long time ito si Ronald Gurantes, lagi yung contender. Hindi lang nabibigyan ng magandang pagkakataon. Now he is in a good position. In the individual standing, he is at I think number 3. With a good run here, he could improve his standing upwards.
Para mataas nga niya. Ngayon na naman, we see another rider coming out. Itong si Irish Valenzuela.
Well, kung mayroong favorite tayong pag-uusapan, itong si Irish Valenzuela ang favorite dito. Kasi doon sa mga nakakaraang time trial natin sa bundok, itong si Irish Valenzuela ang perennial winner. So, we look forward sa magandang time na isasubmit nitong si Irish Valenzuela.
And again, another rider is sent off after Valenzuela.
Si Santi Barnechea, ano pang masasabi natin? Santi Barnechea may not be at his prime, pero pinakita ni Santi Barnechea na he is always in the top 10 ng ating mga riders. And kung utak at utak din lang ang pag-uusapan, wala na siguro tatalo dito kay Santi Barnechea.
Well, of course, Santi is not just in the top 10, pero nasa top 5 na rin si Santi.
Well, we could see na sa umpisa pa lang tinatayuan na ni Santi. So, he is hell-bent on submitting a very fast time.
At yan na po yung ating red jersey wearer.
Si Ronald Duranza. Ronald Duranza is another surprise. Hindi natin inaasahan itong bata na to. Out of nowhere, bigla na lang lumabas at naging prime contender para sa Corona dito sa ating Ronda.
O sige, ngayon balikan naman natin ngayon yung ating mga riders as we see them here, nagkukumpul-kumpul na sila.
Well, what we see in this screen right now, nakikita natin si Mac Galedo already in contention and overtaking yung mga naunang riders na pinakawalan sa kanya. Ang isa sa pinakadelikado, itong si George O'Connor. And a little in front, tatlo pang riders. Number, itong 115, si John Ray Navarra, at itong number 31 na si Joel Calderon. So at this time, itong si Mac Galedo overtook 3 strong riders.
Kita natin talagang he's still going strong here at this particular stage. You know, looking as we enter the final 2 stages, ang ganda syempre nakikita natin dito sa Mountain Province. Ano sa tingin mo yung pinag-usapan natin early in the early stages ng ating karera na sinasabi natin na this might be the time for the youngsters to really start to shine?
Well, hindi tayo nagkamali ng ating hinala. Look at this. It's John Ray Navarra versus the defending champion, Mac Galedo. Sino mag-iisip, sino ang maghihinala ng isang John Ray Navarra from faraway Mindanao, lalaban ng pukpukan dito sa isang katulad ni Mac Galedo.
Ito syempre makakatulong ng konti sa ating mga siklista. Yung pababa, makakapagpahinga sila ng bahagya.
Pero at this time, it's Mac Galedo gaining time on number 31, Joel Calderon, and number 115, John Ray Navarra.
Yan na nga po yung nangyayari ngayon, and now they have to start pedaling a little bit harder once again. hindi ganun katarik. Pero once again, we've got fantastic weather here. Siyempre, dito tayo sa taas ng bundok. Palapit po tayo sa Baguio City proper. Sarap yung simoy ng hangin, malamig. Though the sun is out.
Maganda sanang panoorin yung pedal by pedal na labanan ni June Ray at ni Macmac Galedo. Makikita natin na pag nagdiinan yung dalawa, halos panabay lang. At dito makikita natin itong number 7 ng Road Bike Philippines. Walang iba kundi si Ronald Gurantes. Lalamunin itong number 11 natin. Here we can see Macmac Galedo still showing the way dito sa ating number 115 na si June Ray Navarra. Ito na yung portion na paakyat na doon sa tinatawag nilang Philippine Rabbit area. Medyo makunat na to.
And again, you can see that winding road as they make their way up.
Dito natin makikita kung sino ang mas matigas dito sa dalawang rider na ito. Habang patuloy natin tinatahak ang paakyat, pakunat ng pakunat.
Here we now approach the final 50 meters. Now the final 25. Tulad na nasabi natin, individual time trial po ito, so pabilisan. So we'll have to check the individual times of these respective riders. They need one final push dito sa final 75 meters dahil paakyat pa rin siya. More of our cyclists starting to get past the finish line.
Now is the moment of truth.
Mamaya-maya malalaman natin kung sino yung mga nanalo at the same time malalaman natin kung magkakaroon ng mga pagkakaiba sa ating team standings. And at the same time also for our individual standings. Most of our riders are through.
We are down to the last 3 riders.
Making that final turn.
At dito nagpang-abot-abot na nga. Nauuna si Iris Valenzuela. Sumusunod sa kanya si O'Connor at ang yellow jersey wearer na si El Joshua Carino.
Ito na nga yung huling tatlo natin sa ating stage number 15 individual time trial. Natapos po tayo dito sa Baguio City. Of course in Burnham Park, and here they come, final stretch, final 75 meters, now 50 meters. At dyan po magtatapos ang ating stage number 15 individual time trials. Malalaman po natin in just a few kung sino yung mga nanalo, and we're now getting confirmation. In first place ang nanalo from American Vinyl, we have Irish Valenzuela. In second place, representing Road Bike Philippines, Mark John Lexer Galedo. And in third, we have Road Bike Philippines' Ronald Gurantes. Nabigla ka ba sa ating mga winners?
Well, of course, number 1, si Ronald Gurantes, break out of his shell, masyadong inabot ng pagkatagal-tagal, pero he made it at the right time.
At ngayon puntahan natin ang ating awarding ceremonies. Umpisahan po natin syempre ang ating third placer. Katulad na sinabi natin kanina, representing Road Bike Philippines, Yan po, si Ronald Corantes. In second place, also for Road Ride Philippines, Mark John Lexer Galedo. Picking up his medal, eventually he will also get his check. At ginawa na ating first placer dito sa ating Stage 15 Pugo up to Baguio City individual time trial. Ayan po, si Irish Valenzuela.
Now going to our usual special jersey wearers, Yellow MVP Sports Foundation goes to number 43, Ronald Oranza of PLDT Spider. The Jimbei White jersey goes to number 115, Jun Ray Navarra of Mindanao Cycle Line, Butuan. The Total Blue jersey goes to number 43, Ronald Oranza of PLDT Spider. And of course, LBC Red jersey goes to our new overall individual champion, number 11, Irish Valenzuela of LPGMA American Community.
And that does it for all of us here at Stage 15 from Baguio City. Sa aming pagbabalik, Stage 16 coming up, the final stage of Ronda Pilipinas 2013.